Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Ford Explorer without a key. First, if you have a keyless entry keypad, enter your 5-digit factory code to unlock the doors. This code is often found on a card in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the vehicle. Once inside, locate the backup key fob slot, typically found in the center console or under a cup holder. Placing your key fob here allows the vehicle to detect it even if the battery is low or dead. The backup key fob slot is a crucial feature for starting your Explorer when the key fob battery is weak or completely dead. This slot provides a direct connection, allowing the vehicle's system to read the fob's transponder. Simply insert your key fob into this specific location. After the fob is securely in place, press the brake pedal firmly and then push the engine start button. Your Explorer should now start, even without a fully functional key fob battery. If your key fob battery is completely dead and you cannot use the keypad, you'll need to use the physical key blade. This blade is usually hidden inside the key fob itself. Slide a small release button to access it. Use this blade to manually unlock the driver's side door. Be aware that the vehicle's alarm may sound when you open the door this way. To disarm the alarm, simply get in and start the engine using the backup slot method. To avoid future situations where you need to start your Ford Explorer without a key, proactive maintenance is essential. Regularly replace your key fob batteries, ideally every 1 to 2 years, to ensure reliable operation. It's also a good idea to keep a spare key fob in a safe, easily accessible place, perhaps at home or with a trusted family member. And speaking of making things easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.